Hello and welcome to Saki Tech. If you're switching from an iPhone to an Android smartphone, you will most likely want to transfer and sync all your iPhone contacts to your Android phone. It's an easy process and there are several ways to do it. I will show you the most desirable, easiest, and quickest way. Now before I start, I just want to let you know that iPhone has the ability to store and sync all your contacts to your iCloud account. Android has a similar feature where it can store and sync all your contacts to your Gmail account or your Google account. So essentially you will be transferring your contacts from iCloud to Gmail, and then you will sync Gmail contacts to your Android smartphone. Now the first thing I want you to do is I want you to make sure that your iPhone is currently syncing its contacts to iCloud. So if you go to your phone, as you can see I have 3 or 4 sample contacts. What I want to do is I want to make sure this is being linked to my iCloud account. So if you go to settings, and if you scroll down to where it says iCloud, make sure contacts says on. So you can either have it off, okay, cancel that, or you can have it on. So make sure that's on so you're synced to iCloud. Once you have done this, I want you to switch over to your computer and let's do this step by step. Okay, so the first step is to go to iCloud.com. When you're there, just log in with your usual username and password that you use with Apple. Okay, and once you're logged in, go to Contacts. From here, as you can see, I have 3 contacts in my contact book. So what I want to do is I want to export these in a vCard format so then I can go and import them into my Google account. So what you want to do is you want to go at the bottom here and you want to first and foremost select all. Now as you can see here, only Dave is selected, and when you click this, only Lisa is selected. If you want to export everything, if you want to transfer everything, you just need to select all of them. So go down here, click select all, and then go down here again, click that, and click export vCard. Now as soon as you do that, it's going to download a vCard to your computer. Okay, in fact, if you go to my downloads folder, here it is. It says Crystal, Mikhail, and 2 others. Okay, so that's the 2 others right there. Now once you have done this, now you can switch gears to google.com. Actually, you're going to go to gmail.com because Gmail is where the contacts are managed for Gmail accounts. So let me log into my account. So from here, go to this Gmail icon right here, click it, and choose Contacts from the drop-down menu. So click Contacts, and as you can see, I have nothing in my contacts. You may have some email addresses saved here which you have been using to email back and forth with people, but that does not matter. What you can now do is you can do a more, and you can do an import. Okay, so when you click this, it's going to ask you, please select a CSV file or a vCard file. Now when we do an export on the Mac, on the iCloud, it exports a vCard. So we're going to click choose file and look for our vCard file. And there we go. It says Crystal, Mikhail, and 2 others. Okay, and I have 2 of them because I clicked download twice by mistake. So anyway, click and choose any one of them. Once you're ready, click import, and look what happened. We have easily imported 3 contacts from iCloud to my Gmail contacts center, and this can be done for thousands of contacts. Okay, so let's switch back to my Android phone and show you how to complete this transfer. Okay, so let's go to my phone real quick and take a look at the contacts. I have nothing. Okay, so let's get out of here and go to settings and look for our Google accounts. So if you scroll down, there's my Google accounts, and that's my email address that I use to export the contacts from iCloud. So let's go inside it real quick and make sure the contacts sync is enabled. Okay, so click that, and as you can see it says syncing contacts. So let's go back out and go back to my phone, and instantaneously the three contacts which I imported from my iPhone now show up in my Android phone. So that's the process, and that's how easy it is. So just to summarize, you go to your iCloud account and you export all your contacts in the vCard format. Then you go to your Google account. In your Gmail account, under contacts, you import the vCard. Okay? And then when you're done, you go to your Android phone and you make sure it's syncing with your Gmail contacts account. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, put them down in the comment section below. And go ahead and subscribe to Saki Tech. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And you can also connect with me socially on Google+, Facebook, and Twitter. And all my social media links are in the description below. And I'll see you the next time.